Hello students, in this video we will solve another problem, that is a steel rod of 25 mm diameter and 200 mm long is extended by 0.25 mm under the tensile load of 40 kilonewton. Find the stress, strain and elastic constant. To solve that problem, we will write the given data. That is, first they have given the diameter, that is 25 mm. Next they have given the length, that is 200 mm. Next they have given the change in length. Means if you are applying a load on that, if you are applying a load like this, then what change in length we get, that is 0.25 mm. Next they also have given force, applied force, that is 40 kilonewton, and we have to convert that into Newton, that is 40 into 10 raised to 3 Newton. Now what they are asked, stress, what they are asked, strain, and again elastic constant, that is nothing but Young's modulus. So stress, strain and Young's modulus we have to find. So first we will start with the stress. To find stress, we will write down the stress formula, that is P by A, and we know P but we doesn't have A, so A is equals to pi by 4 D square, and here D is what, that is 25 mm, 25 square. So area will become, after solving in calculator, we will get 490.87 mm square. Next we will substitute that value in this formula P by A. So P is what, 40 into 10 raised to 3 divided by 490.87. so stress we will get, that is 81.448 Newton per mm square. After that we will find strain. To find strain, we will write down the main formula of strain, that is change in length by original length. Why? Because we have, in given data they have given change in length and original length also we have, so directly we can take this formula and we can solve this. That is, change in length is 0.25 and original length is 200 mm. So strain you will get, that is 1.25 into 10 raised to minus 3. Any unit for this? No, because strain doesn't have any unit. The next we will find, that is Young's modulus, that is nothing but elastic constant. The formula for elastic constant is nothing but stress by strain. So what is stress? That is 81.48, and what is strain? 1.25 into 10 raised to minus 3. So Young's modulus we will get, after calculating that, is 65.18 into 10 raised to 3 Newton per mm square. Thank you.